Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today, as you can see, we are doing a holiday makeup look, full face, using some old and some new makeup. I really wanted to play with stuff that I just had in my collection, but I also recently received a few products in PR that I wanted to test out with you guys. We have some blushes, we have some highlighters, we also have the viral She Glam jelly sticks. These, oh my gosh, you guys will see them in action. This is what I have on my eyes and it is just the most beautiful thing ever. So I'm going to show you how to slay the holidays using makeup that you already have in your makeup drawers, or that you have in your makeup routine, you know? So grab your cafecito, grab your brushes, and let's slay the holidays. We're going to start off with the eyes today because I really want to go for a soft brown eye with a little bit of sparkle on the lid, and then we're going to add green to the lower lash line. Of course, in the holiday spirit, we're going to keep it going. I'm just going to prep my lids because I really want the eyeshadows to stick, so I'm prepping them using my Dominique Everlasting eyeshadow base. This one will get your eyeshadows nice and tacky, and it'll cover any like darkness you have on your lids. For today's look, I will be using the Divine Neutrals palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is probably one of my favorite like neutral palettes just because it is so easy to use. It's convenient and literally like you can use any of the shades. So I'm going to start off with the shade Good Vibes, which is this one right here. It's one of the lighter shades. And I'm going to keep most of my shadows, I'm going to keep them closer to the outer edge. I really want this to be nice and clean. And I am going to just stop in like the middle pretty much of the lid. And then I'm using the shade Just Barely, which literally is just barely there for me. At least it doesn't really show up on my skin tone. But that's just going to help me soften up the edges of that shade. And then going back with my brush and just making sure that I'm blending out all the edges. Then I'm taking the shade Booked, which is just a little deeper than the shade we laid down. And I'm just going to take that right below and apply that. And again, I'm going to stop only halfway. And we're going to keep all the colors nice and dark right here. Just because I really want this to be like the focal point of the eyeshadow, like the sparkles. I really want them to be the center of the eyeshadow. And then the last color I'm taking is Cinnamon Roll. That's literally like the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just adding a little here in the outer V just to create that nice and smoky look to it. I am going to take a little bit of concealer in my brush, and I'm just like very gently, I guess. I'm not necessarily wanting to create a super sharp cut crease, but I just want to remark it a little. The star of today's show is the brand new She Glam, what are these called? The jelly sticks, crystal jelly glaze sticks. I have Golden Girl as well as Aura Blitz. Let's just go in with the gold shade. And then as I'm getting towards the edge, I'm just like tapping it. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, that is literally the perfect glittery stick, and I didn't use glitter glue, nothing like that. I'm going to draw a wing using my One Size Point Made liquid liner as well as my She Glam Pro Flex angled liner. While I let my lashes dry, I'm going to apply my primer. Today I'm going to use my She Glam Good Grip Hydrating Primer. This is really nice for like the colder weather because it hydrates the skin. and it's gonna get super, super tacky. So it's also going to grip the makeup, especially for those holidays that, you know, you're probably gonna stay up late with your family. I don't know about you, but I don't want my makeup to be sliding off or to look greasy or anything. Popped on some lashes. I bought these lashes a while ago at my local flea market, and this is the first time I've worn them, and they're so pretty. They're from the brand Queen or they're the style Queen by the brand Majestic. These, in case you guys ever see them at your local flea market, they're actually really nice, and I feel like they complement the look really well. Okay, for my foundation today, I pulled this one out of the drenches because I literally don't use this one at all, and it's because it does make me a little bit oily. The House Labs foundation in the shade, what is this, 270 light medium. Also, let me know if you guys want to see a full face of House Labs, Rare Beauty, whatever it is. Let me know what one brand tutorial you guys would like to see next, because I am trying to decide what brand I want to film. I might need to go in with my sponge because this is a little streaky, but okay. Yeah, no, this is definitely more of a maybe primer brush or a blush brush, but for foundation it's a little too streaky. I'm just gonna finish blending that into the skin though. Now I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer, Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit because I really want the full coverage. This is in the shade Custard, I think. Yeah, and it's a little too light for me. While I let the concealer get a little thicker, I'm going to go in with my bougiest bronzer. This is the Chanel Le Beige in the shade, what is it, medium? This is such a good bronzer, but I always forget to use it. I don't know why. It's nice, it's light, it's not too heavy. It really reminds me of the, what's it called? The one from Say. Very similar. I just feel like the Say is a tiny bit warmer. This leans a little more neutral. And of course, the Say one is a lot more affordable than this one, but if you're feeling bougie and you want something nice, this is a good product to treat yourself to. You guys have your Christmas wish list ready, because I have no idea what I'm asking for Christmas. Like I don't know what I want. There's nothing in specific that I'm like, I've been really, really wanting that. So I don't know. Like I usually like to treat myself for Christmas for something, but this Christmas I'm like, I use the one size sponge again. If you saw my last video, you saw that I tried the new, well, it's not new, but it's the kimchi powder in the shade Translucent, and I have not been able to put it down since. It is such a good powder. It really does do a great job at smoothing out the skin. Look at that. You cannot tell me that doesn't look smooth, because it does. Got a little powder in my eye. Ow. I'm really excited about these bronzers from What's Up Beauty. They sent over two shades, and we're gonna see which. Look at how beautiful these are. So these are the Cheek Tear Baked and Pressed Powder Bronzers. Look at how unique that is. That is so beautiful. This is in the shade Tan, and then I also received the shade Medium. They're both so pretty. Look at that. Yeah, I love that purple in there. I don't know what that will do, but we're gonna try it. They also sent over two brushes. I believe these are different. The R202 and the R203. Because these do have a little bit of that purple, it's just going to give the skin an extra little oomph. These are made in Italy, by the way, so I just thought that was pretty cool. Oh my gosh, these are so silky. Oh my gosh, these literally glide on like nothing. I'm gonna try on a little bit of the tan shade. Oh my gosh, These are stunning. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so pretty. I also sent over a bunch of blushes. I'm gonna quickly go over them. This is the shade Peaceful Pisa. This one is Gentle Genova or Geneva. Not sure. Sorry, I suck at pronouncing stuff. This is Serene Sienna. The last one is Relaxed Roma. This is like the softest out of them all, but they're so pretty. I can't choose. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with Gentle Geneva. I don't know. I think I'm gonna mix these two, honestly. Oh my gosh, shut the front door. These are actually so stunning. I'm mixing both of the colors to get kind of like my own cute little color. I'm gonna add Spare Time from ColourPop. I don't have very many green eyeliners, I just noticed, but I think this is the perfect color. And then we're gonna grab a little blending brush, something small like this, and we're gonna go in with a green to the lower lash line. Again, this is what's going to bring that like holiday look to life. And I'm just packing it to the lower lash line. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter using my Rare Beauty Accelerate highlighter. This is like the perfect highlight for the holidays because you will be shining through your pictures, literally. Look at how pretty that is. And you only need like the smallest amount because it really is that blinding. I'm going to take a little to my nose. I'm going in with the Italia Brown Lip Liner. I want something to kind of match the eyes a little bit. And then for my lips, I am going to take, let's see, this is the Jason Wu Caramel Sundae lipstick. I think this is the one I wanted. Yeah. Something a little lighter. These are so underrated. They're so creamy. They have that really nice, like, velvety finish to them, and they're pigmented. I do not hear people talking about his lipsticks enough. I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to add this Hard Candy Sugar Spin lip oil. I've never tried these and I've been like super interested in seeing how they work. Ooh. Ooh, that's a nice color. Oh, that is so creamy. Last but not least, we're going to set the skin. It's hair washing day, so I just sleeked my hair in a little bun with some little hairs just to add a little character. And this is the final look. I feel like such a CEO, like a boss babe just sitting in her throne, you know, giving commands. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. I love the way this turned out. By the way, if you guys are looking for a new brand to support and try out new products, What's Up Beauty, these bronzers, these blushes, literally gave me so much life. I am obsessed. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Happy holidays. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.